Frederick Charles of Davao, May 30th, 1961, May 1st, 2025, was a Filipino actor and television director. Davao began his career in the entertainment industry in 1978 as a dancer for the Vicor crowd group. Later in the year, he had his first stint in acting as a cast member in the film Pate in C. Mediavillo starring Fernando Poe Jr. and directed by Armando Herrera. He entered theater in 1982 by appearing in Convent Bred, produced by Nora Honor and directed by Mario J. de los Reyes. He was also known for portraying a fictionalized version of Bong Bong Marcos in the play Bong Bong at Crease in the 1980s. In 1996, he made his first directorial piece, an episode of the drama anthology Malaala Kaya titled Sagwan. He served as a juror in the first ASEAN International Film Festival Awards in 2013, and he performed in the Pinoy Playlist Music Festival 2019. Politics. Davao ran for councillor in the 4th District of Quezon City in the 2010 elections under the Nationalist People's Coalition. He later withdrew due to conflict of interest, as a Comlic rule prohibits actor candidates from appearing in movies and TV shows during the campaign period. At the time, Davao was part of the cast of Working Girls, a movie which was set to open on April 21, 2010, which was within the campaign period. Personal life and death. Davao was the son of actor Charlie Davao. He had two brothers who also worked as actors. Davao began a relationship with actress Jackie Lou Blanco after Blanco stood in for Snooki Serna in the variety program GMA Super Show. Davao was supposed to sing to Snooki, but because the latter failed to appear, Blanco was pulled in to replace her. They married in 1989 and had 3 children before separating in 2011. In 2021, they reunited on screen via drama anthology I Can See You, Alternate, where they acted as husband and wife. Starting in 2022, Davao entered into a relationship with Maltsa Daroca. Davao died from cancer on May 1, 2025, at the age of 63. His family announced his death the next day. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.